Hi folks, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I'm getting ready to go to a chamber event, a chamber of commerce event in a large city which I don't normally hang out in, but I thought that in my opportunity to go there, I would be prepared to not only meet people, which is what I'm going to do, but also to connect with them on LinkedIn when I do. So I'm going to show you two things that you should be aware of when you go to networking events that you can use on your mobile phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone. So over here under my LinkedIn apps, I go click on LinkedIn. So first of all is these four little dots that's in the search bar. If I click on those, then you'll see it brings up scan. I can scan a barcode. If I had a barcode there to scan, I could scan a barcode that's on someone else's LinkedIn account. Like here's my barcode. So someone can scan that with their device, and it will automatically bring up my profile and let them connect with me. But again, I could do it myself. I could show their LinkedIn app and their code, and I could scan it and automatically connect to them. For me, often it's just as easy just to type in their name up in the search bar right there. Now, one other thing to show you is that back underneath of my network down the bottom here where it says my network, you can also see find nearby. So when I click on that, then it's going to look and see who is nearby, who has this turned on, so that they can be discovered in that same room. Be interesting to see. I'll be able to experiment with it while I'm there. Bottom line is you can, in the search bar, you can scan QR codes and find people that way, share your QR code, and also under my network, you can turn on Find Nearby so that you can find and be found while you're at networking events. Worth experimenting with so that you can keep meeting and connecting with more people. Hope this is helpful.